ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 505। द्वितीय अध्याय टीका। भ्रांत्या संसारित्वम आत्मनि। सिद्धांति has proved that samsaritvam in atma is only because of bhranti. Bhrantya atmani iti atra manam. What is the pramanam? Dhyayativa lelayativa buddhyam dhyayantyam dhyayati iva buddhyam sthityam. I think there lelayantyam, for that sthityam is given. Lelayati iva. When buddhi does dhyanam, I think I am doing dhyanam. In other words, between buddhi and myself, anyanya bhava, not anyanya bhava, anyanya adhyasa is there. Karma of buddhi I take as my karma, and bhoga of buddhi I take as my bhoga. So when, like in dhyanam, buddhi is sthira, let us say, buddhischana vicheshtati. So then person thinks, I am sthita. So this is not what Vedanta wants to communicate. Vedanta says whether buddhi is sthira or asthira. You are sthira, you are kutastha. Separate yourself from buddhi. To separate myself from buddhi, I should have lot of viveka first to separate or calm down senses and mind. Senses, mind, buddhi, then atma. That is why it is given indriyani paranyahu, indriyabhya param mana, manasastu para buddhi. If indriya and mana control is not there, separating myself from buddhi is in Gangaji. So this is very much required. Na karmana vardhate no kaniyan. All quotations are given. Karma and atma has no sambandha. Atma does not grow with the growth in karma or with performance of karma. Atma does not grow. Atma does not decay if you stop doing karma. Atma and karma, there is no sambandha. न कर्मणा लिप्यते पापकेन. एवल अर्थ बृहदारण्य के उत्तरण. न कर्मणा लिप्यते पापकेन. पापकेन कर्मणा न लिप्यते आत्मा. Papa karma will not affect atma. But what papa karma will do, it will create burden on that buddhi and mind. Then such buddhi and mind will not let you abide in Brahma Jnana. Purva papa everybody will have, right? There is nobody who has never done any papa. That's why they say, Jnanam utpadyate pumsam kshayat papasya karmana. Papasya karmana kshayat jnanam utpadyate. So, Kshaya means not all which will go or should go, but their impact should reduce so much in a particular janma. In that janma, you will have sakshatkara. Then Gita Uddharan are given. Samam sarveshu bhuteshu tishthantam parameshwaram. Vinashyat swavinashyantam yah pashyati sapashyati. Trayodash adhyaya. In all beings, sarveshu bhuteshu tishthantam parameshwaram, Paramatma who is there in all. Samam sarveshu bhuteshu tishthantam parameshwaram. Vinashyatsu avinashyantam. In that everything that is vinashi, you still see avinashi Paramatma. The one who sees that, he really sees it. Shuni chaiva shvapake cha panditaha samadarshinaha. Vidya vinaya sampanne brahmane gavihastini. In all of them, one Paramatma I should see. Ityadi shruti smriti nyayebhyah Paramatmano asamsarita eva. Samsaro अस्य अस्ति इति संसारी तस्य भावो संसारिता और न विद्यते संसारो यस्य इति असंसारी तस्य भावो असंसारिता. परमात्मा means our swarupa is asamsari. Okay, shruti smriti you gave, nyaya you never gave. Tika kutasthatva asangatvadi hi nyaya. So kutasthatva is the hetu. Kutasthatvat Paramatma asamsari. Asangatvat Paramatma asamsari. Paramatmanaha samshatva paksho nirakritaha. Paramatma is samsha. Means Paramatma is amshi, has amshas. This paksha is nirakrita. Page number 492, Prashtha Bhashya, it is given. Iti adina. Up to 505, Prashtha Bhashya, asamsarita eva iti antena. Granthena. Up to here. Nanu tasya niranshत्वे अपि कुतो जीवस्य तन्मात्रत्वं तद एकदेशत्वादि संभवात् अतः. Even if Paramatma is niramsha, tasya niranshत्वे अपि जीवस्य तन्मात्रत्वं कुतः. Jiva can be ekadesha of Paramatma. Why not? Why Jiva is also niramsha? क्या है? अतः एकदेशो विकारः शक्तिर्वा विज्ञानात्मा अन्यो वा इति विकल्पयितुं निरवयवत्व अभ्युपगमे विशेषतो न शक्यते. एकदेशो विकारः शक्तिर्वा. That ekadesha is vikara, or is it some kind of shakti? So vikara and shakti, these are different vikalpas are created. Va vijnanatma anyo. Acha. In vijnanatma, these are the vikalpas. Vijnanatma is ekadesha of Paramatma, vikara of Paramatma, shakti of Paramatma. Shakti means some dharma. और अन्य है. इति विकल्पयितुम निरवयवत्व अभ्युपगमे if you accept Niravayavatvam in Paramatma, Paramatmanah Niravayavatva Abhyupagame, Visheshatah na shakyate. Means iti Visheshatah vikalpa na shakyate. In this way you have to do Anvaya. Ekadeshatvadi rupena vikalpa na shakyate. 7 number tippani says ekadeshat. So इति एकदेशत्वादि रूपेण विकल्प न शक्यते. So what is the meaning of this vakya? He Purva Siddhanti said Vijnanatma is ekadesha of jiva. Vijnanatma means jiva is ekadesha of Paramatma, or ekadesha or vikara of Paramatma, or some shakti of Paramatma, or anya of Paramatma. In that ekadesha na shakyate. Why? Because you have already accepted Niravayavatva. In Niravayavatva, ekadesha will not be there. Niravayavatva abhyupagame ekadesho na shakyate. This vakya is clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Then Siddhant, earlier he already explained Mamai Vansho Jivaloke. Again it is coming. Katham tarhi padosya vishwa bhutani Mamai Vansho Jivaloke amsho nana vyapadeshat sarva ete atmano vyucharanti iti shruti smruti vadas tatra. Then why all these are there? Uddharana padosya vishwa bhutani. One pada is this, tripadasya amritam divi. So 3 padas are amritam. One pada only has become this jagat. That shows there is some pada kalpana. Even when we say prathama pada, dvitiya pada, tritiya pada of turiya, chaturtha, so some kalpana is there. And mamai vamsho jivaloke, etc. Amsho nana vyapadeshat, this is the Brahma Sutra. Jiva Ishwarasya amsha iva amshaha, na tu swabhaviko amshaha. Why? Because Paramatma is Nishkalam. Nishkalam, Nishkriyam, Shantam, Niravadyam, Niranjanam. What is this? Shvetashvatar. So, amsha is amsha iva amsha. Sarva ete atmano vyucharanti. They all express from Atma. They just want to show that it is of samana swabhava. There is a quotation you see in Tippani, 4th line from bottom. Eke shakinaha atharvanikaha Brahmadasha Brahmadasa Brahma ime kitava iti Brahmano dashadi bhavam amananti. Brahmadasha, Brahmadasa. This is Upanishad quotation. And kitava, ime kitava. So I think Dasa, you know all. Dasha, one of them is those who play the dice. Those who roll the dice, they are Brahman. Sevakas, they are Brahman. And Kitava, I think those who row the boats, they are Brahman. Kevata. So everybody is the Dasha, Dasa, Kitava, all are Brahman. Nehananasti, ananatvam. But you have to see this. What is Dasha and Kitava? I don't remember exactly what is what. Where did this come? Maybe in that Brahma Sutra, they have quoted this. But I think it comes in Brahadaranyaka or Chandogya. Even though none of them are Atharvana Upanishad. इति श्रुतिस्मृतिवादाः कुतः कथं तत्राह अंशादिश्रुतिस्मृतिवादाश्च एकत्व अर्था न तु भेद प्रतिपादकाः विवक्षितार्थ एकवाक्य योगात् इति अवोचामः. अंशादिश्रुतिस्मृतिवादा, they are for the purpose of ekatva artha. They are not for bheda pratipadak. Dasha means those who do nauka karma. And kitava means those who do the Yuta Krida. Just if you have just marked the, I knew that these words are little confusing. Dasha means those who do the both kevata work, and kitava means those who do the, they are vanchaka, they are actually cheaters. Yutakrita, they are. If we don't accept that amshatva is only for eka artha, then eka vakyata will not be there. Vivakshita artha eka vakya yogat, because eka vakyatva also we want. न्याय आगमाभ्याम जीवेश्वरयोः अंशांशित्वादि कल्पनां निराकृत्य वेदांतानां ऐक्यपरत्वे स्थिते सति द्वैता सिद्धि फलति इत्याह. With the help of yukti and agama, जीवेश्वरयोः अंशांशित्वादि कल्पनां निराकृत्य. In Jiva and Ishvara, amshanshitva is not there. Vedantanam aikya paratve sthite. Vedanta is for aikya. Aikya paratve sthite sati. Dvaita asiddhi phalati. There is no dvaita. सर्वोपनिषदां परमात्मैकत्व ज्ञापन परत्वे अथ किमर्थं तत्प्रतिकूलो अर्थो विज्ञानात्म भेदः परिकल्प्यत इति. सर्वोपनिषदां परमात्मैकत्व ज्ञापन परत्वे, in all Upanishad, Paramatma ekatva is the pratipadanam, ज्ञापन paratve. Atha kimartham tat pratikulo artho. Pratikula artha will be Vijnanatma bheda, that jivas are different, etc. Parikalpyate iti karma kanda pramanya virodha pariharaya iti eke. Some people say for karma kanda pramanya virodha parihara. How? See in Tika. First, ekatva jnanasya sanidana dvaita dhvansitvam atha shabdartha. Atha means if the ekatva jnanam is for karana sahita dvaita dhvansi, sanidana dvaita dhvansitvam. Yesterday that shabda had come. You had asked the question. In Bhashya 504, Savitari Tama Ekadesham, right? Second paragraph 504, Agnau Shitaikadesham. So Shita is Akaranta Shabda, Pullinga Shabda. So Shita Ekadesham, Shita Ekadesham. But Tamaha is Sakaranta Shabda. So what will happen? Tamaha Visarga Ekadesham, Visarga Lopa will happen. That's why it is Tama Ekadesham. If you do Shita Ekadesham, Sandhi will make it Shita Ekadesham. Tamas Ekadesham, Sandhi will do Visarga Lopa. That's why it is Tama Ekadesham. Samasa is there in both. But Samasa means Sandhi you have to do. Like if I say Rama Lakshmanau, it is Dvandva Samasa. But in Dvandva Samasa, Sandhi is accepted. Sandhi will be always included in this Samasa. So here, but it is Samasa also. Because there is no nimitta for Sandhi. But they are together, Samhita is there. But if there is Bhima Arjuna, so there you have to join also, and Bhimasya, Arjunasya, both you have to include. So there are two. Between there, the samas will be Bahuri. Like Shita Ekadesha. So it is Shita also and it is Ekadesha also. This is Purvapaksha suggesting, Siddhanti says no. There is no, like in Agni, Shita Ekadesha. Means in Ekadesha you have Shitatva. So, but Samasa will be Bahuri only. Shitascha, Shito Ekadesho, Shita Ekadesho Yasya Agnehe. Tad Agni Shita Ekadesham. Or Tasmin Agnau Shita Ekadesham. In that Agni, one part will be, because you always have to see, if it is Tatpurusha Samasa, it will be Uttarapada Pradhana. So this is not Avyayi Bhava. Correct? This is not Dvandva. This is not Dvigu. If you say, then both padas, Ubhay Pada Pradhana, it will become. So it is Shita also and Ekadesha. What is Shita and Ekadesha? But Karmadhara is also Tatpurusha. Right? The Tatpurusha Bheda is Karmadhara. So Tatpurusha is Ubhay Pada Pradhana. If you say Nilo Ghataha, Pito Ghataha, so Ghata is the Mukhya. Karmadhara, if you do Visheshana, Vishesha. So here if you say Shita Ekadesha, Ekadesha will become Pradhana there. So then you cannot put that as Agni. Agnehe Ekadesha you will have. So you will have to do Anya Pada only. Similarly, in the next one, Ekadesha, which is Ekadesha and Tamaha of Savitri. In this way. Everybody understood these two padas?
Yes, Swamiji.
Conclusion is that Shitaika Desham is Bahuvrihi Samasa. There, between Shita and Ekadesha, they are connected. So Shitaika Desha has come. Tamas is Sakaranta Shabda. In Bahuvrihi Samasa, that Sakara is gone. Instead of that, Visarga will come. But the Visarga Lopa is there because of Tama Ekadesha. Okay, continue further. Ekatva in Tika on 506 second line. Ekatva jnanasya sanidana dvaita dhvansitvam atha shabdartha. Atha means because ekatva jnanam, brahmatmaikya jnanam is dvaita dhvamsi. It destroys dvaita along with its karanam. Nidanena saha. Nidanam means mula karanam. Mula karanena saha dvaitasya dhvansi jnanam. प्रकृतम ज्ञानम तत्पदेन परामृश्यते तत्प्रतिकूलो अर्थ दैट ज्ञान प्रतिकूल अर्थ विल बी भेद एकत्व ज्ञान प्रतिकूल परामृश्यते इति अद्वैतमेव तत्वम इति शेषः देयरफॉर अद्वैतम इटसेल्फ इज तत्वम किम अर्थम इति प्रश्नं मन्वानो द्वैतीनां मतम उत्थापयति. So then, kimartham pratikulo artho? Why? Understand the question. Why then in Vedas, in Upanishads, Gita, etc., many jivas are mentioned? If ekatva pratipadanam is your mukhya artha, why such things are there? So, if that is not there, there will be direct virodha with karma kanda. So karma kanda pramanya virodha pariharaya. If you constantly have from Upanishad saying Advaita, 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 with karma kanda there is virodha, then people will think karma kanda is apramanika because it is selling something which is not the tatparya of the Veda. So then that pramanya virodha parihara is done. In this way, some people say, iti eke. It means some matam is like that. Tika. Eke Mimamsakaha. Mimamsakas will only say that so that karma is also pramanik. Your Upanishad is pramanika, karma kanda is also pramanika. Or eke Mimamsakaha, if you make it together, because then Prabhakaras are there, Bhattas are there, and there is one other matam, some Mishra is there. Bhatta, Mishra, Prabhakara. So they all, in them, some people might think like this, that this is why it is there. Prabhakar was his first name, not last name. Prabhakar is always first name. Prabhakar last name. So the Bhatta and Mishra वो तो प्रसिद्ध है. टीका वेदांतानाम ऐक्य परत्वे अपि कथम तत् प्रामाण्य विरोध प्रसंगः. If Vedanta is ऐक्य पर, then how प्रामाण्य विरोध प्रसंग तत्राह कर्म प्रतिपादकानि हि वाक्यानि अनेक क्रिया कारक फल भोक्तृ कर्त्राश्रयाणि. Any कर्म प्रतिपादक वाक्य will need अनेक क्रिया कारक फल भोक्ता कर्ता etc. And Aikya Bharat Vakya will have Virodha with that. That's why those who study little bit Vedanta, they say, all this is mithya, mithya. When they are hungry, love of food, and you give only one item, they want Dvaitam there. They want all variety. And let's say rice is there. Only rice, you don't put anything in rice. Why? Because Advaitam only. And you make them eat that. I want dal, I want sabji, I want roti, paratha, puri, pakode, all. And then all masala. Advaitam is there. Only water you can drink then. Aneka kriya karaka phala bhoktur kartrashrayani. टीका तथापि कथम विरोध अवकाश स्यात्, देन हाउ देयर बी विरोध की आशंका विज्ञानात्म भेदाभावे ही असंसारिण एव परमात्मन एकत्वे कथम इष्ट फलासु क्रियासु प्रवर्तयेयुः अनिष्ट फलाभ्यो वा क्रियाभ्यो निवर्तयेयुः. If Vijnanatma Bheda was not accepted, then Asamsarina Paramatmana Ekatve, Paramatma is one, but some people, they go towards Anishta Kriya, Anishta Karma, get Anishta Phalam. And some people, Ishta Kriya, Ishta Phalam, etc. So some people are very pavitra, and some people, they are full of negativities. केवलाद्वैत पक्षे कर्मकांड विरोधम उक्त्वा तत्रैव ज्ञान कांड विरोधम आह. केवल अद्वैत पक्षे केवलाद्वैत here is taken as different from द्वैताद्वैत. See 13 टिप्पणी द्वैताद्वैत व्यावृत्तये केवल इति. He could have just said Advaita Paksha, but he is just adding Kevala Advaita, because all other Advaitas, they are using some Visheshanas, like Vishishta Advaita, Dvaita Advaita, or there is one, what is that? No, Shuddha Advaita. Shuddha Advaita. So sometimes people read Shuddha Advaita, they think this is Advaita. Shuddha Advaita is not Advaita. Means it is different. This Vallabhacharyaji's Siddhanta is called Shuddha Advaita. They say, why you have to include Maya? Brahma by itself will do everything, no Maya also. The Maya is Ashuddhi. Brahma is capable of everything, but then logically, if you want to believe that way, it is good. Logically, you will have to explain how Nirvikar, Nirvishesha is kept doing anything. Karma Kanda Virodham. So only Advaita, if it is there, Karma Kanda Virodha could be there. That's why this is accommodated. Uktva tatraiva Jnana Kanda Virodhamaha. Kasyava, not only that, now Jnana Kanda Virodha is said. Different discussion. Kasyava Baddhasya Mokshaya Upanishad Arabhyata. If you say there is only Ek Paramatma Asamsari, why do you have Upanishad? Who is bound? Nobody is bound. Why do you need Upanishad? So Jnana Kanda Virodha now. Tika. Parasya Nitya Muktatvat. Paramatma is Nitya Mukta. Anyasya Swataha Paratova Baddhasya Abhavat. And Anya Swataha or Parataha Baddha is not there. Baddhasya Abhavat. Shishya Bhavaha. You will not have Shishya only. Because everybody is Brahma. There is no everybody. How will you teach? Shishya Bhavaha. Tathacha. Adhikari Abhavat. Upanishad Arambha Asiddhir Ityartha. No Adhikari. They always, in advanced texts, they always will have this as one Purvavaksha. Ayam Grantho na Arambhaniyaha. Kasmat Adhikari Abhavat. There is no Adhikari. Show me someone who has Sadhan Chatushtaya. You are saying, Iha, Mutra, Artha, Phala, Bhoga, Viraga. Bring one. Then Siddhanta they will prove. There are. Therefore, Ayam Grantho Arambhaniyaha. So when we look at ourselves, then we think this Purva Paksha is right. Upanishad na Arambhaniya. Brahma Sutra na Arambhaniya. But that's why Bhagavan says, Aneka Janma Samsiddha. You start, then slowly it will happen. कर्म in टीका कर्मकांडस्य कांडांतरस्य च प्रामाण्य अनुपपत्तिः विज्ञानात्मादि भेदं कल्पयति इति अर्थापत्ति द्वयम् उक्तम्. अर्थापत्ति is coming, तत्र द्वितीयाम् अर्थापत्तिं प्रपंचयति. Two arthapattis. Of them, second arthapatti is shown. What is arthapatti?
Upapadya jnanina upapadaka kalpana.
Kalpana. Upapadya jnanina upapadaka kalpana. In the Drishtanta, what is the upapadaka? Upapadaka is Ratri Bhojanam. Upapadakam is Ratri Bhojanam. Note down these things. Because again in Vedanta Paribhasha, this will come. And Pinatvam is Upapadya. The rest of the part you already know. So here, two arthapattis. कर्मकांडस्य च प्रामाण्यम कर्मकांडस्य च प्रामाण्य अनुपपत्तिः विज्ञानात्मादि भेदम कल्पयति. पीनत्व अनुपपत्ति रात्रि भोजनम कल्पयति. करेक्ट. पीनत्व अनुपपत्ति रात्रि भोजनम कल्पयति. So here, कर्मकांडस्य प्रामाण्य अनुपपत्ति विज्ञानात्मादि भेदम कल्पयति. Okay. What is upapadaka? No, in here now, Darshtanta. Ratri bhojan is correct, but here, Vijnanatmadi bheda. Vijnanatmadi bheda has to be there. Why? Otherwise, Karmakanda Pramanyam will not be there. But Karmakanda Pramanya is there. Therefore, Vijnanatmadi bhedam should be there. This is first arthapatti. Is it clear? This much is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Dvitiya is then Kandantarasya cha. This is another. The two are there. Karma Kandasya, Kandantarasya. Kandantara will be what? Jnana Kanda. So Jnana Kandasya cha Pramanya Anupapattihi. Why? Because if you don't accept many jivas, no jiva is there, only Brahma is there, who will listen to Upanishad? That's what he said. So you need Adhikari to listen. Adhikari will be different from Brahma. Brahma, actually, he will not be different. But it is shown, Vijnanatmadi Bheda, somebody has more Shama, less Shama, more Vairagya, less Vairagya, etc., etc. So, Jnana Kandasya cha Pramanya Anupapattihi Vijnanatmadi Bhedam Kalpayati. In the second one, Upapadya is what?
Jnanakanda.
Not only Jnanakanda. Jnanakandasya Pramanyam. Kandantar means Jnanakanda. Jnanakanda will not have Pramanyam unless you accept Vijnanatmadi Bheda. Means if these things are not clear, then whenever you on your own later will read this, suddenly if this Arthapatti or something comes, you say these 2-3 lines, I'll tell you a story right now. You tell some story and you will move forward. And whenever some Anumana Praman comes, this, that, you say, I'll tell you. And you leave this aside, tell something and you skip this. That should not happen. You will do anyaya to Shastra and Parampara. As much as you, if you have done Shravanam, then you do justice. Many times people do this. When they teach, they want to use Tika or something. Whenever there is this Nyaya Vaisheshika, anything about Samavaya, they'll close the book. Samavaya, Pratiyogi, these words itself, people have frightened, they get frightened. Only because those words are there only in that Shastra. Samavaya, in daily life, who uses Samavaya and Pratiyogi? You have to study. The same thing here, Arthapatti. Now, what is this Arthapatti? Apicha. Apicha Paramatma Ekatvavadi Pakshe Kasma Upadeshaha Kasyacha Upadesha Grahana Phalam. Kasma Upadeshaha. What is Kasma?
Kasmai.
Kasma is Kasmai. Upadesha is there. What is the Adesha? Of the four, which one is there? How? Online students, tell me what is the Adesha there? I. Then Yakara Lopa. Let me complete this portion. Kasyacha Upadesha Grahana Phalam. And who will be the one who will receive the Upadesha? Nobody. Ka punaha Upadeshasya Anupattihi. Somebody say Anupapattihi. Why there is Upadesha Anupapatti? Tatraha Baddhasya hi Bandhanashaya Upadesha. You have to find somebody who is bound, then you will give him Upadesha. Tadabhave Upanishad Shastram Nirvishayam. This Nirvishaya Shabda also we should understand. Shastram Nirvishayam. Shastram Nirvishayam means Upanishad Vishaya, you say Brahmatma Aikya. Then how Upanishad Shastram Nirvishayam? Here Vishaya does not mean Brahmatma Aikya is Vishaya like in Anubandha Chatushtaya. When they say Shastram is Nirvishayam means Adhikari. Adhikari is the one who is the Vishaya. This is given a tika. Nirvishayam Niradhikaram. There is nobody who is going to listen. This in Gita Bhashya many times it has come. Tad abhava iti atra tad shabdo baddham adhikaroti. Tad abhava means baddha abhava. Nirvishayam niradhikaram. Kincha yad arthapatti dvaya. Okay, this we'll see in the following session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.